All right, today is a big day, another step towards independence. Installed 2 Tesla Powerwalls. You've got one Powerwall here. One Powerwall will keep the refrigerator going, the lights on, TVs working, computers working, internet router modem working through the night, and access to your microwave. If you want to control your thermostat and have power to one AC unit, we've got 2 AC units. You will need 2 Powerwalls if you want to have air conditioning. So, and that will power 1 AC unit. So through the Tesla app, I will designate, in the event that the grid's down, which AC unit is getting electricity. So now in the event that the grid goes down, we've got enough electricity on these Powerwalls that we wouldn't have to sacrifice too much in lifestyle. And so now I'm going to do the grand opening of the Tesla Powerwalls. Oh, isn't this fun and exciting? New technology. That's what you do it for. Spend all this money so you can tear off the plastic. These are expensive. However, they are expensive, but think about if you ever had to sell your house. First of all, you could take these batteries with you. I mean, you'd have to commission them with your new utility, the new residence. Probably be a pain in the butt. A little bit of a pain in the butt, not huge, but you could do it. But most of all, having a whole home backup, like what kind of difference does that make if we were to list our home versus a very comparable home? One is solar powered with battery backup, the other is not. Like, does that make a difference? Does that make a difference to you? I think it would make a difference to a lot of people. So, another step in the direction of total independence. I love it. Crew did an awesome job. Team did an awesome job. So if you would like your own Powerwall or 2 Tesla Powerwalls so you could be independent or protected in the event of the grid going down, then let me know. Give me a call, 480-200-4486. I will help you out.